Hi, welcome back to your new lesson of MATLAB programming. In this lesson, we are going to learn how you can create a MATLAB function and then how you can apply a switch statement and conditional execution inside that MATLAB function. So let's first create a MATLAB function. So in this MATLAB function, there would be only one output arguments, and that is just simply out, you can say. Okay, you can cancel it out, write here out. And we are going to give a name to this MATLAB function as month's name, and it will take only a single argument, right? Fine. Another things we are going to delete. Let's change it to the input. Now how it will work? It will work like this. Suppose that if 1 is equal to January, and in similar way 2 is equal to Feb, and 3 equal to March, and so on. Right? Great. Now we are going to apply here a switch statement. So just write here switch. So here it is switch case and then input, and then we are going to apply here case. So if it is 1, then we are going to apply here out is equal to Jan, and Jan will be a string, right? Great. And after that and then we are going to apply for case 2. If it is 2, then out will be equal to Feb, right? And in a similar way, if for case 3, out is equal to March, and for case 4, out will be is equal to April, and for case 5, out is equal to May, and for case 6, out is equal to June, and for case 7, out is equal to July, and for case 8, for case 8, out will be equal to August, and of course we need to put here semicolon, otherwise it will print this value while execution. And then case 9 will say that out is equal to September, and then case 10 says that out equal to October, it's OCT, and then case 11 says that out equal to November, and then case 12 says that out is equal to December, and as a final case that would be otherwise. In otherwise, out is equal to invalid input, you can say invalid input, right? So this is very simple function which we can use in our script, in our code. So let's save this, let's save this function inside the same directory. So once it is saved, we can close this, and then we can pass the variable. So let's write here month's name and just pass a parameter, let's say 12, and it says that December. And you can here type here, let's say name is equal to month's name, and let's type here 2, and this says that name equal to 5, right? So it's a 5 actually, right? So this should be 5, it's not 5, I think. Yes, this should be 5, right? So as I had shown you here how it works, this function says that it is a function, and out is output variable which will be returned while function ends execution, and this is name of your function, and this is input variable which it takes as a input parameters. And then we had applied a switch case and switch statement inside the input, right? So this is all about MATLAB function and switch statement into MATLAB. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe this channel so that you can get update directly into your inbox. Bye bye, have a nice day.